world is ending. Holy crap balls.
Are you filming?
Good game, guys.
Good game. Good game.
Good game. Lost. Thank you. Hello. Hang on.
Let's go to the car.
Hey, let's go. I'm recording. I'm recording still. I'm recording it. Dust storm. Good game, man. Nice game. Jesus! Walk backwards! Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. All right. Hi.
Okay, honey.
They're all holed up right there.
Hey, guys. How you doing? Really?
Where are we going?
Walk my grandma to the curb.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah, holy cow.
Holy cow.
You got it, grandma. You got it up here?
I don't know, honey.
Oh my god.
Jeez.
You can't even, you can really see up there.
Here, take my crutches.
Grandma.
Take my crutches.
Come on, you hold this. All right, come on. There you go. Here, grab your crutch.
Oh my god.
That was a nice game. Dude, look at the field.
I can't even see that field.
That's a baseball field right there.
You're behind the wall.
This is our middle finger.
Dude, we're getting in the fucking car.
Oh my God, it's so windy.
Rain. It's raining, dude.
No, it's not.
I saw 3 drops on my... Put your hands up. It's rain.
Oh yeah, I do. Oh my God.
Holy crap.
You alright?
I think so, honey.
Is it gonna affect your asthma?
I think so.
Why would we not bring our bags?
When your daddy gets here, we'll be in the car.
Yeah. Oh my eyes. It's a dust storm. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my God, it's raining.
Daniel's mad, dude.
All right, stay right here and turn around. Turn around. Come on. All right, right here. Turn around. There you go.
Holy cow.
Oh my God, my hand.
Look at that.
Yeah. Dude, this is a dust storm and a half.
That's my dad right there.
Where?
Right there. Holy crap.
Dude, they postponed ball.
Can't believe this. Hey, did they call the games?
Hey!
We need to know if they called the games.
Well, you can't even see a baseball.